So how do you make pizza on a baking stone at home? This is a lot easier than you think, and we're gonna go through it together. Now the baking stones come in all sorts of shape and sizes, but for pizza I recommend something thicker because it will retain the heat a lot better than mine, which as you can see is quite thin, but still it gets better results than just putting it on a tray and in the oven. Now one thing to bear in mind, although this looks dirty, it's not actually dirt, it's just the burnt after cooking I don't know how many pizzas and whatever I cooked on it. Make sure that you don't wash it, don't add any washing liquid on it because this will get into the ceramic material and then eventually into your food. Just make sure you wipe it or just brush it slightly and it's ready to use again. Now you want to set your home oven at the highest temperature it can go. 300 if you can go to that is ideal, but most of the home ovens they go up to 230, 250. Mine is 250, so I'm gonna set it at that temperature. Now I don't want to get this straight on the rack. I want to put it into a tray because like this will be cleaner, you know, just in case, you know, something goes over, then we keep it nice and clean. So I have here the dough which I made last week. I'm not gonna go through it once again, but if you want to watch it, just go on this recipe right here. Now once we're done rolling, we're gonna place the pizza base on the pizza peel. I've got here a metal one, but you can buy wooden, whichever you prefer. I'm gonna leave 2 options down below in the comments if you want to get one for yourself. But if you don't want to buy one or you don't have one at this point, then you can place your base on a baking paper and from there transfer it into the oven. Surely not the best looking pizza I ever made, but it smells absolutely amazing and I'm sure it's quite tasty too. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.